Poor start performance was determined on this customer vehicle. To perform an initial diagnosis, connect a diagnostic unit to the vehicle to read out the fault memory. Fault code 14516 was read out in the fault memory of the digital engine electronics. This code indicates that the battery sensor signal is faulty. Now gain access to the battery. As one possible cause of this problem can also be an interruption in the data line or a loose connection at the sensor, first carry out a visual inspection. In this scenario, all plug connectors and the connecting cables are OK. The battery sensor will now be removed as part of the repair. Before starting with the removal process, ensure that all power consumers such as the seat heating, radio and navigation system are switched off. Only now switch the ignition off, pull the key and remove it from the vehicle. To prevent data loss in the vehicle's electronic systems, you can connect a suitable charger to the jump-start connection points in the engine compartment as an emergency power supply. Now you can remove the IBS sensor by loosening and removing the battery's negative terminal with IBS sensor and ground cable. To prevent damage to the sensor element, do not exert any mechanical loads on the IBS sensor during the repair. Compare the new IBS sensor to the removed IBS sensor. An additional adapter cable may be required for connection purposes depending on the vehicle model. Observe the relevant catalog information. Now, install the new IBS sensor with ground cable and connect it to the battery. Observe the tightening torque specified for the fastening screws and reconnect the plug connection. After you have installed the IBS sensor, clear the fault memory and run the Register Battery Service function. Registering the battery resets the stored values of the IBS sensor. After the repair work has been completed, the vehicle must be locked and left in the standby state for a minimum of 3 hours. Only then will the IBS sensor have determined the current battery condition. Ensure that you always observe the repair notes provided by the vehicle manufacturer.